Welcome, fellow tamers. This is your King Willick speaking, and I goofed up. I didn't goof up on the level of, skipping quests, but I goofed up on the part where I recorded this quest, couldn't find the items, and had to quit the quest, losing footage of our guest star, which I'm guessing could come back. I'm not so sure. But good thing we didn't lose a quest, so otherwise this wouldn't have never happened. So I tried to look for a result of reasons for flood Digimon, and I was supposed to find 10 quest items, or suspicious items. Sadly, I couldn't, because I have no idea where they're located. And I've killed like dozens of Dokumon, I haven't found one. I've killed a Strictramon, couldn't find any. So I'm going to come back here and see if I can find some. And trust me, I've looked on YouTube for a solution. There wasn't any. So I'm going to have to find Kiwimon and see if that's the problem. So come on out, Greymon. Are you freaking kidding me? All of 15 minutes of recording and it was the Kiwimon this whole time. You guys are going to have to forgive me. I'm going to have to pick around here because Kiwimon's holding my quest items. I'm not after your gates or anything, just stay calm. Now that I'm back on track here. So yeah, they're gating for Dexes up there and trying to complete an Alphamon quest, which we do help out on our end. I have like stacks of gates in my inventory in my main, so yeah. If you need any quest help, let me know. I'll drop by and help you out. Whoop, there we go. I'm dealing with a lot of acid reflux right now. But anyway, so yeah, I've recorded 15 minutes worth of footage, and I had to delete it because, well, guess what? We took too long in trying to figure out where everything was going, and until just now, I realized it had something to do with the Kiwimon. Because I did that side of the map, couldn't find anything. Tried to look on YouTube, didn't find anything. Then I realized, let's try the Kiwimon because they're flooded Digimon, so why not? So yeah, we just did the reasons for flooded Digimon. We're going to return this quest, and Greymon and I will see you soon. Be right back.